YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back in another video in JD Nation. What's up with it, man? Yes sir, as y'all can see by the title, your boy will be washing his hair in this video. You know what I'm saying? Just to show you guys, I just hit a month with my starter locks. You feel me? Showing you guys all this, you know what I'm saying? Got a little frizz up here, some new growth happening over this month. You feel me? So yeah, bro, I haven't washed it since I got my starter locks. So yeah, it's been a month since I washed my hair. No retwist, nothing like that. I'm waiting until about 2 months, 2.5, probably like 2.5, I don't know. We'll see how this second month goes, you feel me? But yeah, bro, this is what we looking like, you feel me? Yes sir. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no cut or nothing. I'm just thugging it out, you feel me? But yeah, bro, after this video though, I will be taking the 2-strand or the rope twist out so that you guys, or so that my, like, the coils will be showing now, because I then had them in these 2-strand rope twists for a month now. So we'll go ahead and take them out once my hair dries. So that'll probably be like a separate video from this one. It will be a separate video from this though. But yeah, bro, yeah, this is what we look like right now though. So I'm probably not gonna show the whole process of me washing my hair. I'll probably just show you guys after I wash my hair, and then yeah, but I will definitely be showing you guys what I use to wash my hair. So yeah, you will be seeing that. But yeah, bro, I ain't gonna waste more time though. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright YouTube, so we are done washing my hair, you know what I'm saying? That's what we looking like, you feel me? Look at all the new growth, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that, but bro, this is just a month, bro. Like I said, I've been taking these B12 pills, well not pills, vitamins for like past months since I got my hair locked and stuff like that. And bro, I never seen this amount of growth in 1 month. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at that. That's stupid, bro. So yeah, I'm not getting no retwist right now, bro. I'm going another month with my starter locks, and then I will be getting a retwist in September. Now it's August. So yeah, September, that's when I'm going to get a retwist. But yeah, bro, that's what we're looking like right now. There's some of them like connected, so I gotta, you know, detangle a little bit, but I'm gonna just leave it like it is. But yeah, tomorrow I will be taking down the 2-strand twist, like I said earlier. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, we'll be taking them down, and yeah, bro, we're gonna see how they look. I may do it tomorrow or what's tomorrow? Wednesday or Thursday. But yeah, just be on the lookout for that, man. But yeah, bro, this is what we looking like, man. So yeah, I didn't put no conditioner in yet. I'm gonna probably just wait until I get my hair retwisted, let her do all of that. You feel me? Let her do all the hard work. I'm just here just to do this right here. I'm gonna just wash it. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna put oil in my hair. I'm gonna just let my hair dry for the night. And yeah, cause my hair is very thick and it takes a while for it to dry. So I don't know, depending on how my hair is around like midnight, cause it's 8:15 right now. So probably around like midnight, I'll check and see what my hair is looking like. If it's not like all the way dry, I'm gonna just wait until tomorrow to put oil in my scalp. So yeah, bro, that's it. Just show y'all, give y'all one more 360. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it, man. So I ain't gonna waste no more time. Subscribe to my other two YouTube channels, NateJustDope and Nate's Closet and Life with Nate. See how we caught up with all the content that I post on YouTube. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, man. So yeah, man. That's crazy. But yeah, man, with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces. I'm off this
I couldn't get a bill paid.